I got this in the library everywhere with that number. Come on, here we go. I work from the night till the morning to this. So you might get me rolling to this. Cause I had enough, I had enough. I'm like freak, my head is up, I work late. I'm standing up, I'm bad enough. My haters think I'm planning up, I work right. They don't tell a buy, I'm the guy, I'm the boss. I should keep a quiet, but the hell with this portion. Tell me, is it boss or is it really portion? I don't wanna just live, I wasn't looking to be stranded. I was looking for the one that can. I was here before you took your hand. Talk, I came at you, not your can. Any song for I get out of, I will conquer, I make out of anything. If you're not here, what's the hold up? People can't hear with the hold up, anything. And I don't really care what her name is, even if it's Dolores. Dolores, Dolores. So what if I love? Then now if I'm stuck in a hole, I'm going to hell. So what if I dwell? And what with my soul I'm going to sell? Wait, not while I'm still making a point. I think all of the cannons is set in my joint. You wanna go make me a joint?